Introduction to WordPress hosting. WordPress hosting refers to the type of web hosting service that is specifically optimized to host WordPress websites. These hosting services provide an environment tailored for WordPress, ensuring better performance, security, and ease of management. Types of WordPress hosting options in 2024. Shared hosting. This is the most basic and affordable hosting option where multiple websites share the same server resources. It's suitable for beginners with small websites. Managed WordPress hosting. This type of hosting is specifically designed for WordPress sites. The hosting provider takes care of server management, security, backups, and updates, allowing you to focus on content creation and site management. Virtual Private Server, VPS hosting. VPS hosting provides more control and resources than shared hosting. You get a dedicated portion of a server, allowing for better performance and customization. Dedicated hosting. In this type of hosting, you lease an entire server for your use only. It offers the highest level of control and performance, but comes with a higher price tag. Cloud hosting. Cloud hosting distributes your website across multiple servers, providing increased reliability, scalability, and performance. Performance optimization tips for WordPress websites. Choose a reliable hosting provider. Select a hosting provider that specializes in WordPress hosting, ensuring better performance and support. Use a lightweight theme. Opt for a clean, well-coded theme that doesn't slow down your site. Optimize images. Compress and resize images to reduce their file size without compromising quality. Minimize HTTP requests. Reduce the number of elements on your pages, such as scripts, style sheets, and images to decrease loading time. Enable caching. Caching stores a temporary version of your website on the user's computer or the server itself, reducing the need for repeated requests and speeding up load times. Use a content delivery network, CDN. A CDN distributes your website's static files across multiple servers globally, allowing users to access content from the server closest to them, reducing latency. Optimize database. Regularly clean up and optimize your WordPress database to remove unnecessary data and improve performance. Use lazy loading. Lazy loading delays the loading of non-critical elements like images until they are needed, improving initial page load times. Update regularly. Keep your WordPress core, themes, and plugins updated to benefit from performance improvements and security fixes. Conclusion. Choosing the right WordPress hosting option and optimizing your website's performance are crucial for a smooth user experience and better search engine rankings. By following these tips, you can ensure your WordPress website runs efficiently and provides an enjoyable experience for your visitors.